guys, we're back with another video, and today we are making some curry chicken. So chicken was cleaned and washed. Now here are the seasoning that we're going to use. I have curry powder, I have Maggi all-purpose seasoning, I have Maggi chicken season, I have some scallion, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, bell peppers, and I also have some pimento seed right there. So these are the seasons that I have. So these are what I'm going to use. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to add is some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. It's windy outside. Then I'm going to go in with some Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm also going to go in with some Better Pack curry powder. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm going to cut up some onion. And if you have a sharp knife, that would be good. Because when the knife dull, the onion bone be bone in the eye. And I take that onion too good, you know. I'll bust it and see what I'm going. Okay. Take out a bad piece. I'm going in with thyme leaf. And guys, wash them seasoning already. So scallion, bell pepper, it's windy today. Scotch bonnet pepper. You know that though. Don't know if you know, no curry without pepper. You say no curry without ginger, but banana ginger. Oh God, the smell of that pepper. I don't want to touch the seed, so I just gotta strap it in there. I'm going with garlic. You can just smash it, or you can cut it up in it. pimento seed. I put a bag for my hand. Rub up them seasoning, cause baby. So I bubble kind of in. I want to press the seasoning into the meat. Don't just turn it slightly, so just push it in. Watch out, the way I bag this up. Defeat the purpose. Nah, no gloves. Nah, no gloves. You know why I never put some gloves in my suitcase. But yeah. This looks good. So this is what we have. So we're gonna cover this and set this in the fridge for marinade until Friday. Today is Wednesday, so we'll cook this Friday. So guys, we're back with the video and we're gonna finish prepare the curry. So we have the Dutch pot on the stove and we're gonna add some cooking oil to that. Right, so we have a good amount of chicken, so we need about that amount of oil. So we're gonna allow this to eat a little, then we're gonna add with ginger and we'll curry to the pot. So the oil will add in, but we're gonna go in, we're gonna add piece of ginger and we're gonna add some curry. We have to move fast because the oil hot and we don't want the curry burn, right? So we add some curry and we're gonna start with that. Alright, we're dropping the chicken thick and fast. Shake the whole of my another curry. Alright, so the chicken, you know, the chicken cool because I come out of the fridge, so it's cool on the oil a little. Let this sit a little and then we'll turn it. Alright, so now wash my hand and come back. We are going and turn the chicken. So you turn it on, it starts turning off like crazy. ice over after.